am here to treat a topic which is number based. So the subtopic of today is conversion from one base to another. There are different methods which are used to convert from one base to another, depending on the question. Looking at this one, conversion from other base to base 10, which is denary, as I've mentioned in my earlier video. Now, the method that is used to convert from other base to base 10 is use expansion method or multiplicative repeated method. Now, we have an example to illustrate this. Convert A 3, 2, 1, 4, 5 in base 6 to base 10. Solution to that, we have it this way, whereby it is written 3, 2, 1, 4, 5 to base 6. You place the value starting from the extreme end right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equals to 3 times the base raised to power the base value 4 plus 2 times the base raised to power 3 plus 1 times the base raised to power 2 plus 4 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 5 times the base 6 raised to power 0 is 3 times 1296 plus 2 times 216 plus 1 times 36 plus 4 times 6 plus 5 times 1. So we tend to multiply each of them. You can use your calculator to do that, and we can do that manually. Let's go manually. We have 1296 times 3, and that will give us 3 times 6 is 18. Write down 8, carry 1. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1, and that will give you 28. Write down 8, carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And that is how we arrive at 3,888. Then the next one is 2 times 216. 2 times 6 is 12. Write down 2, carry 1 to the next column. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is going to give you 3. 2 times 2 is going to give you 4. And that is how we arrive at this very point. 432. Plus 1 times 36 is 36. Plus 4 times 6 is 24. Plus 5 times 1 is 5. Then the next step, we add all together. We can do the addition this way. By going 24 plus 5 is going to give you 29. Then we now go 29 plus 36. 9 plus 6 is going to give you 15. Write down 5, carry 1. 3 plus 2 is going to give you 5 plus 1. You have 6. Then you add the next 432 plus 65. You have 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. Then you have your 497. Then you add to this 3888. 497. So 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7 rather, is 15. Write down 5, carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 8 is 18. Write down 8, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write down 3, carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And that is how we arrive at 4,385 to base 10. So now we have converted from base 6 to base 10 as instructed. Now let's go ahead to solve this other question that we have as example 2. It's still the same process and the same way we solve this one. We have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Then you place your value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You follow the same format the way we have done it this week. We have it done this week. 1 times base 2 raised to the place value 5 plus 0 times base 2 raised to the place value 4 plus the next 0, 0 times 2 raised to the place value 3 plus 1 times the base 2 raised to the place value 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to the place value 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the place value 0. There we go. We have to say 1 times. Never you say 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 times 5. It's wrong. It's an error. Rather you say 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You go one after the other. 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. 8 times 2 will give you 16. And 16 times 2 will give you 32. Here we have 32 plus 0. 2 raised to the power 4 for the next one. 2 raised to the power 4 is still the same format from 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4 times 2 will give you 8. 8 times 2 will give you 16. Therefore, we have 16 for 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0, which is 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. And 4 times 2 will give you 8. Therefore, we have 2 raised to the power 3 to be 8. The next one is 1 times 2 raised to the power 2. Of course, we know 2 raised to the power 2 will be 2 times 2. And that will give us 4. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1. Of course, is 2. Remember, I said that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So the last one there is 1 times 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 as 2 raised to the power 0 now. Therefore, the next step that we have is 1 times 32, we have 32. Plus anything 0 is multiplying. The answer will give you 0. So 0 times 16 will give you 0. And the next one, 0 times 8 will give you 0, as I said earlier. Plus 1 times 4 will give you 4. Plus 0 times 2 will give you 0. Plus 1 times 1 will give you 1. Therefore, by addition, 32 plus 0 is 32. 32 plus 0 is 32. Plus 4 is 36. 36 plus 0 is going to give you 36. 36 plus 1 will give you 37, which is now in base 10. So we have concluded converting from other bases to base 10 by using the expansion method. Such that we have two methods. We have done with the first method, expansion method. Another way of converting from other base to base 10 is the use of multiplicative repeated method. You repeat it. Now, you go this way. You multiply the first number by the base, which is base 6. When you multiply, your answer is 18. Then you bring the next digit down. You add to your previous answer. When you add, you have 20. That is 18 plus 2 is 20. Then you follow the same process. You are repeating it again. Multiply it by the base 6. 0 times 6. 6 times 0, you have 0. 6 times 2, you have 12. And this is 120. You do the same. You bring your arrow down, just like what I've done here. Plus 1. And that will give you 121. Then you multiply it again, repeated, by the base 6. 1 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is going to give you 12. Write down to carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1. You have 7. Then you bring the other digit down, which is 4. You add it the way you have done the other one. And this is going to give you 726 plus 4 will give you 730. You multiply it by the base, which is 6. And that is 6 times 0 is going to give you 0. 6 times 3 is going to give you 18. Write down 8, carry 1. 6 times 7 is 42 plus 1, you have 43. Then you bring the last digit down, just like the way you have done. You add it to the value that you have, which is 4,380. And when you add together, you have 4,385 to base 10. And that has given us the value we have when we use expansion method, which is 4,385 to base 10. That is one way of doing it again. Then we have the assignment section. So the assignment section is number 1, convert 101101 to base 2 to a number in base 10. Number 2, convert 367 to base 8 to denary. You should know what denary is. If you have checked my previous video, please, you can't reply your answer in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel's one again and share to individual group and your friends in the videos and group. God bless you.